Guys, welcome back to Crystal Venus, and today I'm going to show you my slime cupboard. So right here I have all my slime supplies, and yeah, so I'm going to show you all it. So one thing I don't have is food dye, because my mom bought it, but it's in her coat pocket, and she's not here right now, so yeah. These are my first thing. I have some white glue, just like normal, and I went through it last night. Threw away some of the things I didn't need. And yeah. And then I got this half-gone glue bottle of clear glue. And then I have this half one of clear glue because I've made slime a lot. And then this is actually from the dollar store. I got some Tide. It's just a little bottle. And then this is actually from the dollar store too. I got some modeling clay, but it can work for better slime, which I haven't made any yet because it wouldn't work. And then I got 2 bottles of soap, just in case I run out. I got this from the dollar store and this from the dollar store. Then I got this little activator. It is add Elmer's glue to make slime. Replaces baking soda and contact solution. Yeah, so it's technically just activator. And then I have 2 bottles of shaving cream from the dollar store. Then I got some 2-in-1 kid shampoo. I got some extra borax. I got some foam beads. And I'm not trying to brag, I'm just showing you guys stuff. And then I got some borax and water that has been sitting in there for like 3 years. And yeah, so that's all it. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share. Bye!